Welcome back to the channel, guys. Joe's RV and Fishing Channel. I am going to try to film some of this storm rolling through this afternoon. I know I'm shaking like a dog right now. Nerves are real bad. Listen. Oh, something just fell on my truck. Listen. It's thundering off in the distance really bad right now. Old sign sitting there hanging on. Yeah. Very concerned right now. Very concerned. So far, everything seems to be okay. So, y'all hang on tight. And next clip will be when the bad weather is rolling in. Well, here we are, folks. I think it's finally here. So far, it ain't too bad. See, every time I turn the camera on for y'all, and it just, woo. Yeah, it's kind of rough. Not the wind, just the rain so far. Seems like it's just rain. The wind ain't blowing at all now. It's still as it can be. That's just weird. Well, folks, it looks like it's going to be one of them days. Like I said, it's going to be one of them days where we're just going to sit here and watch it rain. That's crazy. But what can I say? Let it rain, I guess. It needs it. Ready for this summer to come around, though, that's for sure. Grandma's up there in her truck up front of us here. I got the dog right here. She's Katie. There she is. So we're just sitting here riding out the storm. It's pouring down rain. I figured it was going to be a little bit worse than that. Since all that crap went down in Mississippi today, I figured since that, it was going to come this way and be bad, but it got a little bit darker on us. Let me see here, what can we do? Oh yeah, it's getting dark on us now, and it's only, what, 3:52. My dog's over here panting. I think she's getting a little scared, y'all. I don't even blame her on that.